Question number 126. Identify the plant to which the given floral formula belongs. First option Muletti, second Petunia, third Aloe, fourth Jowar. The given floral formula is of family Solanaceae. And you have to find out the member of family Solanaceae. Muletti, Fabaceae, so this option is ruled out. Aloe vera, Liliaceae, hence this option is also ruled out. Jowar, Poaceae, hence this option is also ruled out. Petunia, Solanaceae, so the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 127. Select the incorrect statements. A. Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageen from brown algae. B. Mucor has biflagellated zoospores. C. Haploid endosperm is typical feature of gymnosperms. D. Funaria has completely dependent sporophyte on gametophyte. First option only A and B, second only B and C, third only B, C and D, fourth only A, B and D. So you have to find out the incorrect statements. Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageen from brown algae? No. Carrageen is obtained from red algae and algin is obtained from brown algae. So this is incorrect statement. Mucor has biflagellated zoospores? No, mucor produces asexually with the help of sporangiospores, not by the zoospores. So this is also incorrect. Haploid endosperm is typical feature of gymnosperms? Yes. In gymnosperms, the endosperm is known as female gametophyte and it is haploid in nature as it is formed before fertilization. So this is correct. D. Funaria has completely dependent sporophyte. No, it has dependent but not the completely. It is partially dependent sporophyte on gametophyte. So this is also incorrect and you have to choose the incorrect statements which are A, B and D. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 128. Marchantia is dioecious. It means first option, Anthrideo4 and Archegonio4 are present on the different thalli. Second, it is a heterosporous plant. Third, the sex organs are present on the same thallus. Fourth, the female gametophyte is free living. If a plant is dioecious, means the sex organs are present on two different thalli. Here, see the options. Marchantia is dioecious, it means it is heterosporous? No. No bryophyte is heterosporous. All bryophytes are homosporous and Marchantia is a bryophyte, hence it is also homosporous. The sex organs are present on the same thallus? No, this condition is monoecious. When a plant is monoecious, the sex organs are present on the same thallus. For example, Pinus is monoecious. Fourth, the female gametophyte is free living. No, dioecious does not mean the female gametophyte is free living. So the correct option is option 1, which says that the Anthrideo4 and the Archegonio4 are present on the different thalli. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 129. Facillated diffusion differs from active transport as first option, it is highly selective. Second, it does not require ATP. Third, it requires special membrane proteins. Fourth, it saturates. Facillated diffusion is a type of diffusion which involves membrane proteins. It is highly selective. Yes, both active transport as well as facillated diffusion are highly selective. Both require special membrane proteins. In both the conditions, the transport saturates when all the membrane proteins are occupied. Facillated diffusion and the active transport differ from each other in just one thing, that facillated diffusion does not require ATP as the molecules move along the concentration gradient in facillated diffusion, but in active transport the molecules move against the concentration gradient, hence it is uphill transport and requires ATP. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 130. As compared to tomato plant, how many regional molecules of ATP are needed for production of 1 molecule of hexose sugar by a maize plant? First option 6, second 19, third 12, fourth 18. You should know that a tomato is a C3 plant and a maize, it's a C4 plant. Maize is a C4 plant, and in C4 plants, to fix a CO2 molecule, 2 additional ATPs are required as compared to a C3 plant. Hence, to produce a hexose sugar, we have to fix 6 CO2 molecules, and for 6 CO2 molecules it should be 2 into 6, that is 12 ATP molecules. So 12 ATP molecules are additionally required to produce a hexose sugar in a C4 plant as compared to a C3 plant. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question.